I'm gonna reel this one. Do you have one? No.
No.
William.
I think you have a fish.
William.
I think you have
William.
Williams! Reel it in, buddy! Reel it in! Well, stand up!
Turn it the other way. Turn it the other way.
Here, wait.
Whoa.
I think it's a big one. Here, hold it like this. And reel it in. There you go.
Reel.
Hold on to it. Reel it in. Reel it in, buddy.
Keep going, Wilsey. Here it comes.
Whoa. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Hold it up. Hold your tip up like this. It's a good thing Mr. Ed's not here.
Keep going, Wilsey.
Oh! We got a fighter. Keep reeling him. Oh, boy.
Daddy, you want? Is
Now
he?
he's good.
Wilsey!
All right, bring it. Let it go. Stand right here. Stand here. And just keep reeling. Keep reeling. All right, we're almost. Keep going. Keep going. You can. Come on.
Oh, sure you can. Oh, look at him.
Oh my gosh, Will.
Whoa.
Keep fighting.
Look at him.
Go, Wilsey!
Oh.
Oh, Will, he's...
Oh, boy. William, you caught a fish. Holy mackerel, bait and tackle. Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
I caught him!
Whoa!
Look at it, Will!
All right.
Wilsey, go stand with your fish. Go stand with him.
Look at him.
Next to him.
Come here, buddy.
There you go. He's
Oh,
flapping.
Wilsey, come here.
It's okay.
Come here. Come here.
Come
here, you wanna touch him?
Come on,
Oh, yes! You caught him, William.
What a
Morgan,
William,
Good
Michael.
job. Sorry, buddy. Wow.
Daddy,
Here, you
stand
wanna
next.
hold him up? Come here. Come here, you gotta hold him
Hold
up.
him next to
I'll
your
hold him
dad.
for you. Come here. Oh, boy.
Look at Pop Pop.
Right.